Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you the best gestures and shortcut for faster use on Xiaomi 15T. So first, open the settings and the home screen, then scroll all the way down to system navigation and select gestures. Now we can use the gestures. So when you swipe from the bottom, then you are in the home screen. When you swipe and hold, the background apps will open. When we're in the app, for example this one, okay, and another, and when you swipe from the bottom to the right, as you can see, you switch between applications, and same with the left. When you want to go back on an app, just swipe from the corner. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.